Hi, this is Marty Cooper with AtlasIED at the E4 in New Jersey. Today I'm showing off a few different things, but most importantly is our Atmosphere product, which is for paging, background music, any sort of audio distribution. Can actually do sound masking as well. We've introduced some new models that have power built in, so we can actually have one unit that not only does your DSP and all your preamp functions, but also does your amplification as well. What you're seeing here is some of the accessory wall plates, so you can have in different zones, different abilities to get signal in, control volume, control sources, ambient noise sensor. So lots of different features and functions that Atmosphere does. We're seeing it in hotels, restaurants, anywhere that you can imagine audio distribution. And again, Marty Cooper with AtlasIED. Our website is www.AtlasIED.com. Thank you.